All right, all right, all right. We're currently live here on YouTube. It's 5 a.m. Waking up a little late today. We're going to go live. We're going to see if we can get some trades in, some action. Normally, I wake up at like 3:30 in the morning to do these live streams, but this morning I woke up and I was just a little exhausted. Had a hard day yesterday going hard in the paint. We're going to go hard in the paint today. So, come along for the adventure. Let's go. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Anybody here? Anybody here? We got one person watching. That's pretty good. We're doing good. Yeah. One person. One person watching. That's some good stuff. All right. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The SPY right now, just getting crushed, huh? Talk about the pump and the dump yesterday, baby. Let's go. We got the pump and the dump yesterday. Market getting crushed right now, down to the 399s. Just sell, sell, sell. And doing a little live stream here today for, doing a little day in the life. Day in the life, baby. Let's go. What's popping? The SPY down to the 399 area. 398 now. It's not good, my friends. It is not good. Not good at all. I might have missed out on this move. Look at this thing right now. Oh my baby Jesus. Oh my baby Jesus. What happened to my, I had another thing on here. What happened to my other indicator? It was the support and resistance with breaks. Yeah, this one. Check this thing out. Got this new indicator I'm using now. I've been doing some research on it. Pretty cool indicator. Look at this thing. So it'll basically, like, I would say, it gives you these little buy and sell signals. So like this morning, you got a bear signal there on the chart. Obviously that huge gap down was obviously bearish, but the bear signal sold off there. So you get the bear crash down, you got the alert for the bear signal, the bear candle, whatever you want to call it, breaking through that support there. And yeah, not a bad move. Not a bad move there. Why are we on the SPX? What is give me the SPY. You can see just below the VWAP all day. I mean, this was a beautiful trade. Oh my gosh, the market's getting murdered right now. How did I should not have slept in today, boys. Today was not a day to sleep in. Today maybe wouldn't, was maybe not the best day to sleep in. Might have made a mistake there. Might have made a small mistake. You live and you learn though, right? My little GoPro thingy does not want to move. What the hell is going on with this thing? Ah! Well, that's not good. It's like stuck. That's great. She's stuck. She's stuck there. Gotta fix that somehow. So the market down to the 398.23, still going lower. 398 right now, baby. Just sell, sell, sell on it. Are you kidding me right now? I cannot believe that, oh man, I should not have slept in, boys. I should not have slept in. Look at this thing. This morning, the MES from the 440s down to the 985s now. So a beautiful move this morning. Like I said, that perfect entry off of that indicator this morning. Kind of pretty cool here. Freddie, time to get long, he said. Okay. I don't know, buddy. Maybe. Where's that support at on the ES right now? I got this 980 support on the ES, kind of. Yeah, so 980 support on the ES here. See if she wants to bounce. That 980 area was a support area the other day. If you look here, I think probably on the 30-minute chart, you can see that 98 area bouncing. That was what, on Monday. So we got some support there at the 398 level. Is it going to hold support there? After that, I mean, it's sell, sell, sell. Sell. Sell, sell. South Florida Waterman, 398 possible bounce. Well, aren't you just a little late to the party? I just said that. I just said that. Just kidding. Appreciate you either way. So we'll see if that 398 area is going to act as support. That was the support, like I said, on what, Monday that held. We're pretty far from the VWAP right now as well. So a little overextended to the downside here on the SPY. It's anyone's game, baby. The bears would really have to keep momentum moving in this direction to break through that support, I think, right now. But, man. Momentum, baby. Momentum. She is squeezing to the downside here. I saw AMC moving around this morning. Wow. Well, it tried to push up to the 1420 area and got sold off already back to the 13s. So you can see on this indicator, look at this morning, getting the alert there for that buy, breaking above that resistance there. So from the 12.85 up to the $14 area, you got about a from that almost a 10% move, I'd say, up to those highs. So not bad off of that alert. I wouldn't even say it's an alert, but the indicator basically identifying that breakout, calling it a bullish breakout there, and then getting that move up. So kind of cool. I've been kind of messing around with this new support and resistance indicator. Messed around with it last night, doing some research on it. That 398 level down, not holding right now. Still, see what happens here on the 15-minute chart. If we get a close below that candle there, below that 398 level, we got that support identified on the chart there as well with that blue line. So we'll see if that 15-minute candle is going to hold that level. I always like, if I'm looking at support and resistance and I'm looking for like if it's going to hold or if it's going to sell, you know, things like that, I'm always kind of looking at the bigger picture, the bigger time frames, you know, the 15-minute, 30-minute charts for those candles to close. You know, I'm not just like, oh, well, it's crashing through 398, but you know, we'll see what happens. So So watching this 15-minute candle, is it going to close below that 398? Wow. South Florida Waterman locking in a $20 short on Tesla this morning. Congratulations. Isn't that a fun one? I'd say there's maybe a little lower. Maybe the 397.15 area can be the support bounce here. Looking like they want to dip it down there to that, I'd say 397. That was the low on this candle right here. And then, yeah, I mean, 397, 60, 50 area should be the support actually. So we're right there right now, 397.60 on the SPY here on the 15-minute chart. The 3-minute chart showing a little bit of a bounce there. $398 here. Can she hold? Wrecked Wednesday. Oh man, James Hansen, I hope you're not wrecked. I hope that you're talking about the market being wrecked here. Sorry for the late start today, guys. I worked out a bunch yesterday. Did a 5,000 meter row and just really put it in. Put a lot of effort in yesterday working out. And I woke up last night and I was so sore. I couldn't even sleep. So I needed to sleep a little bit longer. I needed my rest. 397.33, still not bouncing off that 398 level. Like I said, looking at this 397, what is that? The low on that candle was 397.18. So pretty much looking for that 397 area support to hold if it's going to bounce. Got to get that bounce going here, boys. Where are the bulls at when you need them? Where are the bulls? $3,975 on the MES. Freddie's calling for the bounce. I'll be right back. 1 minute. Be right back. All right. I'm back. So yesterday, the market ran up huge. I think it was up like, what, 3% at the end of the day yesterday. And then today, the market's down almost 3%, 2.6% to the downside here. Bouncing right now off the 397.20 area. A little bit of support. So very interesting move to get that huge pump yesterday. Everybody getting suckered in long. The volume wasn't very high yesterday. So that's what I think we saw that insane action there. But yeah, we're just sitting back here waiting and watching. I kind of missed out on a insane move this morning. I wish I would have maybe have woken up at 3:30. If I want to wake up for the market hour, for the market open, I got to wake up at 3:30 here in Hawaii, and it's a little difficult sometimes. So we'll see what happens. Give it a little bit of time. See if we get a trade here. Can we get a trade here? What do y'all think? So I'm doing a day in the life today. Filming, got a bunch of stuff to do today, so we're gonna film the entire day, doing the live stream, doing the workout, doing all the fun stuff today. Oh gosh, sorry, I just burped. That was awkward. Oh god. Oh, it smelled bad too. So sorry for my filming during filming here. I'm filming a live stream. It's Inception, baby. Look at this 30-minute chart right now. It is just looking like a murder. Somebody getting murdered on the 30-minute chart right now. Wowzers. That gap down and then just sell, baby. Talk about a murder. A murder. It's all she wrote. It's a murder, baby. See some music playing up in here? We need some music up in this. Oh, no. Dude, the inverse Kramer indicator is just amazing. It's just amazing. There's 2 live streams right now? Holy shit, there is 2 live streams. I'm live twice. That's pretty funny. No wonder there's nobody watching the one live stream. We got 2 of them going. Am I live on the other one now? Am I still live here? Oh my gosh, what did I do? I'm live, right? We're live. We're still live. That was weird. I don't know why there. I have no idea why that did that. Very interesting. Sometimes YouTube does weird things, man. Does weird things. So we're live. We're good. We're back. 41. Oh, God. I need a film crew. I need a full-time film crew. Anybody who wants to move to Hawaii and just be my full-time film crew, you can come on over, baby. Let's go. Down to the 396s now. Freddie, what happened? I thought you said buy the dip. All right, so there should only be one. Oh my gosh. This market's getting murdered right now, boys. How did I miss? Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I missed out on this action this morning. Now I feel like I'm just going to be chasing it. Trying to trade this right now. Down 2.7% on the day. Market is just tanking. Roy Jenkins, can my wife come? Sure. Why not? Does your wife have any hot friends? Can she bring a friend with her? I mean, it's definitely looking overextended here, I would say, to the downside. But man, there's gonna be a bounce. I mean, there's gonna be a bounce, no doubt about it. James Bond, what happened, man? They opened the trap door a little late. It looks like they did it overnight for you. James Bond was calling for that trap door all day yesterday, and the market ended up rallying up in a day. But today, the trap door has been open. They have opened Pandora's box here, down to the 396.50. No bounce. You would have thought we'd get a bounce off that 397 level, but you know. Roy Jenkins, you funny. You a funny man. You a funny man. Look at futures this morning. Just literally for the last 30 minutes from the 410 area down to the 970, this has just been sell, sell, sell. No bounce. Just selling, baby, on the 1 minute chart. Starting to get a little bounce back here now. We should, I think we should get a push back up here on the SPY after all that selling. So, got to be a relief bounce to come, I'd say. Right? In theory. In theory. You know, just if I was a betting man, which, you know, I am a betting man, I would bet that the market might want to do something here. Just maybe, possibly. There's a possibility for a push back up to the 398s here, at least. On the 15-minute chart, looking a little overextended. We got the VWAP all the way up there to the 469 area. Look at that thing. Can you smell what the rock is cooking? Can you smell it? I don't know. Maybe not. What's it smell like? It smells like money. Money, 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 baby. It smells like money. It looks like money. Well, maybe it is money. So the SPY trying to get a pushback up here. First green candle that we've seen on the 3-minute chart in about 30 minutes here. Whoa! Smelling all that money got me sneezing over here. Too much money smelling. Oh, James Bond with the icing on the cake. Let's hear it, buddy. All right, so James Bond said he was up almost 50% yesterday after the Powell mini trapdoor. He wanted more as usual and ended up selling those 400s for a loss. Ouch. James Bond, don't you know the number one rule, my friend? Pigs, the number one rule. Come on. Everybody knows it. Does everybody know the number one rule with trading? I think you guys all know it. Everybody knows the rule. Everybody knows. It's a simple rule when it comes to, oh my gosh, this GoPro. What is it? I want to film this for the day in the life here. There's very much one simple rule. It is one rule to live by as a trader. That bears and bulls make money, James Bond, but the pigs get slaughtered. Get slaughtered, baby. I mean, you could have held overnight, but that just seemed a little piggy. James Bond got a little piggy. Don't get piggy. Don't get piggy, people. I hope you guys are really gonna enjoy this this day in the life. You know, I'm really trying to capture, you know, what my life is like when I'm, you know, when I'm out here living the dream in Hawaii and all that fun stuff. So, you know, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's go. You guys, all right, hey, here's a question for you guys. For the day in the life, is there anything particular that you would like me to show? Anybody? What do you got? Anything? Any request? Any requests from the viewers? And no, Ryan, I will not film myself naked for you. I know you got a thing for me, but I will not do it. Look, he's already talking about bikinis. Already talking about the bikinis. I knew it. Women. You guys are all perverts. We'll probably do some foiling today, that's for sure. Dude, I feel good. I don't just look good. I feel good after all the working out. I feel good. Living the dream, baby. Film some roosters today. Yeah, I'll show you guys the roosters, those little bastards. Hawaiian food. I'm kind of, maybe I can go get some, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe get some poke later. Poke. I'm supposed to be going in, trying out. Any of you guys ever done a hyperbaric chamber? Anybody? Supposed to go today and do an hour in the hyperbaric chamber. Reverse my aging. I'm looking a little old. Rate your favorite restaurants. I don't really have any there's no restaurants on the North Shore. I mean, there's like a couple of things, but there's not a lot of restaurants on the North Shore. We pretty much live in the middle of nowhere. Market trying to push back up here. I would say push up to the 398s. This thing's looking a little oversold now. Ugh. Have you tried surfing? Have you not seen my videos of me surfing massive waves? Come on. That's like asking a golfer if they ever hit a golf ball. I'm just kidding. The hyperbaric chamber messed up your friend's libido? Well, that would probably be the best thing for me. Mess up my libido. Swim with sharks. I already swam with sharks. I swam with sharks in the last video that I posted. Damn sharks. Here's that push back up to the 398s now. Volume kind of tapering off already on this pushback up here, so this could be the little pushback up to get short here. But I do feel like I'd be chasing this move right now. I cannot believe look at this thing this morning. You could have shorted at open and just literally closed your eyes and got a 60 handle move there. I really do want to focus more on capturing these bigger moves, especially on a trending day. You know, I think that's where the real money's made, trading futures. You know, you can make money scalping, but I think the real money trading futures is, you know, getting these types of moves. I mean, obviously you could have taken profit as we went lower, but I mean, the goal should be that you're basically riding, you know, this big move down all the way, especially below the VWAP. I mean, I think, you know, you could have shorted here at open, and then your stop loss at this point is basically just the VWAP. You know, you short there at open, and as long as you don't get back above the VWAP, I mean, you stay short. You know, I think that's, you know, a pretty solid strategy. But yeah, I need to start focusing more on, you know, riding the trend. That's one of my issues right now with trading is I can, you know, identify like, okay, I think this is which way the market's going to go. But then the problem is a lot of times I end up getting chopped up, you know, trying to short at the wrong time or trying to get long at the wrong time. And then, you know, I end up getting stopped out, and then, you know, an hour later or whatever, the market's, you know, 5 minutes later, the market's moving exactly in the direction that I wanted it to move. So I think I just need to, you know, have more patience and just let the trade work its way out. I mean, how many times, you know, how many times have I entered a position here, even on the live streams? You guys have seen it. I enter a position, take a small profit, and then the market moves, you know, in a big way in that direction. So right now, this will be the question: does the market turn down again here? You can see on the 3-minute chart, I think if we can't hold the low in that last candle was 397.27. So if we can't hold there, there's a good possibility that we start to roll off again, get down to the 396s. Let's see what happens here with this candle. I'm kind of interested to really trade this new indicator thing as well, which is, it's kind of cool. And you can see like this morning, the indicator basically alerted that was a bearish candle, which obviously, you know, after that gap down, I think anybody with the brain would have known that was very bearish opening, you know, lower there. But in general, I mean, if you basically trade this like a computer, you know, you get short when it gives you an indicator that you want to get short there. Look at that move. I mean, you're looking at a, like a 60 handle move there. The indicator basically plots the support and resistance here on the chart. You can see basically just plotting the support and resistance. You can see back there on May 11th, again, another bear signal there. And then look at the market moved down again, you know, a huge move down. So you got the buy signal when you got that push up. Dude, we were here all morning, Rafa. We made millions of dollars. Where have you been? Where have you been? What have you been doing? You missed out. The indicator is called, I'm gonna make a video. I'll make a video on my YouTube. I can't give away all the information during the live streams, boys. I gotta make videos to make money. Remember, the live streams don't make any money, so I gotta tease you guys sometimes. I'll make a video later on today talking about the indicator, how it works, and all that fun stuff. So it's free on TradingView. You don't have to pay for it. So I'll make a video later on today. That'll be the video that I post later today. Don't worry, it won't take too long for me to make it. It's pretty simple to talk about. So let's see, pushing up to the 398. Like I said, it needed to hold that low of that last candle, or it was going to roll off there, but we held that low, so kind of making a trend back up here, trying to push back up. On the MES, you can see as well on the 1-minute chart here, that little kind of trend pushing back up there. So no point in trying to short until we get a good indicator that we're short. But again, like I said, I might, you know, I feel like it's kind of an overall chase for a short. And I mean, even for a long, I don't feel amazing about getting long here, fighting the trend. You know, we're below the VWAP on the SPY. A lot of momentum to the downside here. So I definitely should have gotten up at 3:30 this morning. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And today, I lost. You know, what can I say? My alarm went off at 3:30, and I was like, nope, not doing it. Probably should have done it, Patrick. Probably should have done it. But, you know, it is always the coulda, the shoulda, the woulda. All right, so looking again, if we break below, the low on that last candle is 397.36. But still, like I said, you know, we might chop around down here. We've got some support, I would say, down here as well. So right now, we're kind of just sitting back, waiting and watching, but no trades for me so far today. Just getting here on the computer. Only been live for about 37 minutes. Somehow we had 2 live streams going. Really messed up the flow today, but hey, we're trying, people. I'm human. I'm just a human, you know, just like you guys. I have feelings as well. Let's go. You guys see my Instagram from yesterday? Anybody see that story or the reel that I posted? I posted the sickest Instagram reel yesterday. It was real sick. Real sick. I mean, like, super sick. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was pretty cool. You don't even know what it is. That's how much of a tease I'm being right now. But you can check me out on Instagram. Really simple and easy. My name. Remember, there's only one Patrick Wieland on Instagram. If anybody messaged you asking, you know, about trading your money or some crazy crap, that is not me. I will never message you on Instagram unless you're like a, you know, like a cute blonde. I might message you then, but other than that, not messaging you. Check this out. So these mutant apes, right? So I bought this mutant ape. I bought this thing a while ago, like back in January, and it's pretty funny because I bought that thing for I think like 0.60 Solana, and it didn't do anything for the longest time. Like, it literally just like crashed down, and then to yesterday, the floor price all of a sudden out of nowhere just spiked up to $3.41, 3.4 Solana. So I literally totally just forgot about that NFT that I bought. So hopefully it keeps going higher. There's been like this big move in the NFT space recently, so for these apes and stuff, we'll see what happens. It's anyone's guess at this point. Anyone's guess. We will find out. So the market pulling back here, getting stuck at that 398. This could be the next turn down here. Like I said, that roll off and get down to the 396 again here. Very much looking like it wants to do it. Below the EMAs here on the MES now. Aloha. What's poppin'? Just another day in paradise, my friends. There she goes. The roll off here, 397, getting down there and breaking that trend, that little trend there on the 3-minute chart. Like I said, just kind of watching that for the roll off here, for breaking back down. See if we can get down to that 396.50 area, unless we make a higher low here. Is pot legal in Hawaii? They do have medical marijuana. Hey, Valza. I always love the first thing people ask. Are you green for the day? I have not placed any trades today. I am... I woke up a little late, got on the computer right as we were bottoming out at the 397 level. So, no trades. Just hanging out. You can ride the the live stream. You can ride the e-foil for almost 2 hours. It's pretty cool. Right now, the SPY. Why does it keep pulling my SPX? 397.25. Looking for a move back to the low of day if it can't turn into a support there at the 397. So let's see what happens. I'm watching the MES here. Like I said earlier, wasn't too excited about chasing this for a short, and then also not really excited about getting long either. So no trades for me. Looking like there's a good possibility. You can see no trades today. Good possibility that I might not make a trade. I feel like I have some serious FOMO, especially after missing out on that insane move this morning. You can see this morning from the 403, 404 level down there to 396. Come on. Come on. Will you just come on? What a tease. I like to call that a tease, my friends. It's a real tease. What do you guys, what's been the action so far today for you guys? We got AMC getting stuck at that 1420 area, back to the 13s now. What else we got moving around today? Everything getting crushed. Apple down to 143, getting crushed again. Pretty much I think all of these charts are going to look very similar to the SPY. You got Apple getting sold off. You can see the indicator giving the alert for the bear wick there at open. So, not bad. What else we got? Amazon. Let's see if Amazon's got the sell signal as well. On Amazon, having 2 sell signals today from that indicator. And then Tesla, we're getting a sell signal on Tesla. Tesla, kind of a tricky one this morning. Tesla filled that gap. I would say that sell signal was not so on it. That's how it works, though. I mean, you're not gonna, not every trade's gonna be exactly the same. Look at Ford here. Ford got 3 sell signals today. Target's down big, huh? Target with the sell signal as well here, but just kind of going sideways off of that 160 level. I think that's because of Walmart, huh? Did Walmart with the sell signal as well today. Look at that thing from the 128s down to 122 on Walmart. Let's go. Everybody making some money today, buddy. Yeah, I saw the NCMI investment, National Cinema Media. Wowzers. What a joke. AMC is such a joke at this point. The fact that anybody is like, I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say it, but come on. Like, it's literally a joke at this point. AMC. AMC going to 100K for sure. For sure. Sometimes I don't even know why I even talk about any of the stocks. I'm not allowed to have a free speech. The funny thing is all these YouTubers on YouTube that promised, that talked about like, oh my gosh, 100%, you know, for sure AMC is going to squeeze, all this crap. You know, all these YouTubers were wrong and nobody's mad at them. And I was over here telling everyone, hey, You know, I think AMC is going to go ahead and screw everybody, and everyone's mad at me. It's crazy. Currently, I try to get live at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. There we go. The SPY rolling off there. Below 397 again. Looks like it wants to touch down to that low of day. I'll probably go e-foiling later. I got to work out here in a little bit. Got to work out at 8 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock right now, so we got 2 hours until then. Not really looking forward to it. I had a pretty hard, worked out pretty hard yesterday. I rode 5,000 meters yesterday. That's about 3.1 miles in under 20 minutes. Let's go, boys. Literally 20 minutes burnt 333 calories. I'm a beast. I'm a beast. Oh, man. I've also been doing the carnivore diet as well. Just eating steak every day. Every day, steak. It's amazing. Last night, ate 2 big old steaks. Let's go. Down to the low now. Like I said, rolling off. I literally just said that was, you know, there's the roll off now. Down to that 396s. There you go. G. Lopez. Nobody else has nailed AMC as much as I have. So it's, you know, it's what it is. There it goes. The roll off now down to the low of day. Breaking through low of day on the MES here. Nice little move down. Doing exactly what we thought it would do. I was hoping for a push back up to the VWAP area just to save some face, but the market trying to break through that 3% down day here, baby. Woo, baby. All the bulls got really excited yesterday. Weren't they excited yesterday? Everybody was like, oh, the bottom is in. The bottom is in. Little did they know, the bottom was not in. I don't think the market bottoms out until, I mean, like, you're going to know the bottom is in when we finally get to a point where, like, the government and the Fed and everyone is like starting to come out saying like, hey, you know, we're going to rescue some of these companies or rescue the market. We haven't got there yet. Once they start talking about a rescue plan, then you know the bottom's in. Until then, the bottom is not in. It's a tough market to be a bull, that's for sure. Definitely a tough market to be a bull in right now. And you gotta think, so like for what, like the last, you know, I'd say 5-6 years, there's been one general consensus, and that's that stocks only go higher. And well, people are starting to find out really quickly that that idea isn't always true. As much as the AMC apes love to believe it, stocks do not only go higher. There's actually been a lot of YouTubers recently that are quitting YouTube because all the stocks that they were promoting, like this one guy was really big on Workhorse. He loved Workhorse. He was like the Trey Trades of Workhorse. What is that even? Yeah, Workhorse. He was like the Trey Trades of Workhorse. Thought that Workhorse was going to be like the next Tesla. And well, if you look here at the chart, it's been a murder. Since the beginning of 2021, Workhorse from $42 down to $3. So there's been a lot of YouTubers promoting different S-Packs and all this crazy stuff. And well, I've seen a good majority, not just small time YouTubers. There's a guy who had 300,000 subscribers. He quit YouTube now because he's tired of everybody being upset with him because he was promoting some car company or some crap that ended up just totally getting crushed. I get it. Hey, I understand, you know, like, you know, it's difficult. The problem that a lot of people don't understand is that, like, obviously, like, you have to, you know, have some conviction, you know, if you're long, you're short, whatever, if you think a stock's going to go up or down, like, you got to have, you know, some type of conviction, and you got to make your, you know, you got to make your trade, you got to make your stance. The worst person, really, I would say, the worst person is just the guy who literally says, like, oh, well, you know, maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down. Like, you got to have some type of conviction here. It's also difficult, man. You have all these people on YouTube that are expecting you to basically, you know, perform, expecting you to, you know, oh, he's gonna have to, you know, he's picking the stock that people are investing in. People are investing money, you know, and it can get serious. People, I mean, it's fucked up, but like people have literally committed suicide. You know, I've seen people. Now, I wouldn't say, I don't know about YouTubers committing suicide, but I've seen people that invested a lot of money in the market in these stocks that have, you know, it can get very depressing sometimes, losing money. So this is real life. I think a lot of people don't understand, like, obviously YouTubers, you know, like we're entertaining, but at the same time, like, YouTubers are people. They're people with the feelings. I don't have any feelings, obviously. I'm just a, you know, a degenerate gambler over here, but most YouTubers have feelings. I love the back and forth sometimes. Jay Morris. Well, you know what it is? It's not the fucking washing my face. It's just fucking hot in here, man. There's no wind right now. And these lights get hot, and then I get hot. I'm running hot right now because I'm doing like this I don't know, a stack right now, creatine and different thermogenics. Like, I'm literally sitting here right now sweating, guys. Like, I'm fucking sweating. I'm sweating, my man. I appreciate that you're worried about my cosmetic looks here, Jay, though, but it's fucking hot. There's literally no wind right now. I'm sitting here in Hawaii. We have no AC in Hawaii, by the way. Yeah, and there's fucking lights. It's hot. I don't know what to say. I literally don't know what to say. I apologize. I apologize for my fucking oily head. It's fucking hot. My balls are sweating. What can I say? No AC. And the problem is, if I turn the fan on, then it's gonna be loud. So I'm taking the pain for you guys. If you have AC, then you're like a king. Well, the problem is, like, my house, even if you put AC in my house, like, it would just, all that cold air would just go right outside because the windows are pretty much open all the time. And also, guys, you gotta remember, there's fucking, the electricity in Hawaii is super expensive. Like, really, really expensive. I pay $300 a month in electricity, and I don't even have AC. Literally, I paid $300 a month for electricity, and I don't even have AC. Think about that. Think about that, you know? Where was I yesterday? I was live on YouTube yesterday. We got 31 likes. Come on, boys. Let's go. 31 likes. I'm leaving if we don't hit at least 50 likes within the next 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not moving. The like button's not moving. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. I mean, you know what I probably shouldn't have done either? I don't know why I drink coffee in the morning. I don't know. That was probably a bad idea. Why did I drink coffee? Probably should not have drink coffee this morning. Makes me even hotter. And also, somebody said, well, yeah, about my hair. I think my hair, I like the reason, you know, I like my hair the way it is because then people comment about my hair. You know, it just gets people pissed off. It's the best. I love that people get upset because of my hair. It's literally like the best feeling. Just fucking love it. There's literally people out there that are upset because of my hair. Not saying you, Jay, but I'm saying in general. Like people that comment on my videos like, your hair looks so stupid. Like, hey, I appreciate you, you know? What's the old saying? If you got 10 haters, you better try to figure out how to get 10 more, baby. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, fuck, it's my hair, man. The ladies like it. The ladies run their hands through it. Ooh, hoo, hoo. And luckily for you guys, that's all that matters. The ladies. Right now, the SPY down to the 396 level, kind of chopping around now. You can see these moves are getting smaller, these legs lower. I'm thinking that might be, you know, oh, I don't really know how much lower we can go on the daily here. What do you guys think? How low can we go today? Man. 385 today. Let's go. James Bond looking for the 393 level. Wow. Oh, wowzers. That seems... That's like another what? Another from here, from the open to 398. Well, I guess you got to go from the top, right? So from the close of yesterday down to 393, that's about a 3.65% move lower, which is not, you know, it's not impossible. That's for sure. 394.56. A couple guys putting out some calls for the bottom today. 394. Everybody's seems like they're still bearish here, so market still rolling lower here. Just like I said earlier, that roll off. If you're just now tuning in, you missed out on this roll off there from the 398s down to 396 now. Rocking and rolling, baby. Literally rocking and rolling. 396 flat coming up here. Oh, look at this trend today, boys. Oh, just look at it. Would you just look at it? It's magical. Magical day. You can see the indicator this morning. I'll make a video later on today talking about this new indicator that I'm using. But the indicator basically flagging a bearish candle there at open, which, I mean, on a big gap down like that, I would say, yeah, it was pretty obvious that it was bearish opening there. But I mean, if you got short at open from the 403s, buying puts, buying the 400 puts, you are chilling right now. The indicator's free, Ryan. It's free for everybody. Well, I think you might need to have a TradingView account, but $396 is getting tested here on the MES, on the SPY. 396 flat right now. I'll make a video talking about the indicator later on today. Don't you worry. I can't give away all my secrets during the live stream because then nobody would watch the videos on the channel. All right, we got 53 likes. We got 100 people watching. I think we can break through 100 likes today. You know, it's always my goal every day. I got one goal in life. That's to hit 100 likes. 100 likes, baby. Can we do it? We could do it together. 395.87 now on the SPY, going lower here. How we? All right, so we've been live here on YouTube for about an hour now, and well, we're watching the SPY just get absolutely crushed here. We're gonna see what else happens today. Just kind of hanging out and watching the action. We got everybody hanging out in the live stream right now, watching on the channel. If you guys haven't tuned in, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, you know what to do. Be there. But yeah, we're watching it right now. I'm doing a day in the life right now. Doing a day in the life, baby. We're getting live. Day in the life. Jay Victor bought a lotto call at open. It happens. Happens to the best of us. It happens to the best of us sometimes. All right, so we'll see what happens here in the next like 30 minutes. Rusty Golfer moved his stop for his short to 397, 3,972. I'm guessing that he's talking about on the MES here. I think that's a pretty good. Where'd you short at, Rusty Golfer? On the ES, nice. What's your entry? $436. Look at this guy. Rusty Golfer making some fucking money today, boys. Let's go. He's making thousands of dollars. And he hasn't even subscribed to the channel. That's fucked up, man. It's fucked up. It's really fucked up. Really fucked up. And Kit Kapoor, what's your question? I didn't see your question. What is your question? Can you ask your question one more time? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, Rusty Golfer. Relax. Don't get all upset with me. Don't unsubscribe. Don't unsubscribe. And Kit Kapoor, you gotta. I don't know your question. I don't see your question on the chat. I'm sorry. Well, I don't. You gotta ask your question again. Anybody? No question. Yeah, the chat is in subscriber mode only. I was just messing. I knew that Rusty Golfer has been a subscriber for a long time. I was just messing with him. And Kit, you got that question? I'm ready for your question, man. Hey, if you throw money at me, I'll answer whatever question you want. Just the more money you throw at me, the more questions I'll answer. Come on. I guess there's no question coming. I do not have a Discord server. We have a Discord for lava runners for the NFTs, but I don't have like a trading one. Oh, where was I yesterday? I was live on YouTube yesterday. We were live yesterday. I just came. We got a little late in the day. Do you guys think, like, let's be honest, like, all right, here's a question for you guys. Should I have a Discord for trading? Trading Discord. What do you think? I mean, I don't really know. Maybe I'd say if James Bond wants to come and be a moderator in the Discord and post his ideas, maybe we do the Discord. I don't know. But it all depends on James Bond. No, James Bond, he's working for me. We're partners now. He can't start his own stuff. He signed a non-compete. He's one of my new employees. I'll start the Discord, and then James Bond, you know, can have his own little like channel in the Discord, and he can post his updates and everything that he wants in there. Where'd he go, James Bond? Yeah, but James, you always say that you want to talk to people when the YouTube's not going, so. It would be interesting. we'll have the James Bond channel on Discord. He could just throw his ideas out there for you guys, and then, you know, I mean, at some point you might have to start paying the guy. He loves YouTube, but he hates Twitch. What does YouTube and Twitch have to do with Discord, James? What does that have to do with anything here? Okay, and Kit Kapoor, you bought some W Luna on Coinbase. You're planning to hold. What would happen after the 27th? Will I be able to convert them to other crypto, or will I lose my investment? So honestly, we're not gonna live stream on the other platform, James. It's just a Discord where you can chat. No live streaming. Sorry. And Kit, the 27th, Coinbase said they're gonna delist W Luna. You should be. Yeah, W Luna is still, you know, one Luna is one W Luna. So even if they stop the buys and sells on W Luna, I think you're still gonna be able to hold it on Coinbase. They're not gonna just, like, you know, make your money disappear. I just don't think you'll be able to buy it and sell it on Coinbase. But luckily, I made a video on how you can sell it on KuCoin. Yeah, you should be fine. I think, again, this is not financial advice. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. But yeah, you should be able to convert the W Luna on Coinbase. So the SPY right now at that 396 level, pushing back up, finding that support down there. All right, so the poll right now on the Discord is yes, no, 59-41. Not very conclusive. I'd say it's you know, up in the air still. Maybe we'll do a Discord here at some point. I gotta convince James Bond to be a part of it. If James Bond wants to be a part of it, then we'll do the Discord. If he doesn't, then we're not gonna do it. Yeah, we're not gonna stream on Discord. We're gonna still stream on YouTube, and everything will be exactly the same, but we'll just have the Discord there. Little pushback up here. You got the standard deviation of the VWAP at that 397.48 area. You can see these legs, the move down on that last leg is not as drastic as that previous big leg there. So momentum starting to slow down here. Doesn't mean it can't go lower, but we might get some choppy action before getting lower here. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. James always wants to have a chat, to talk. Well, here you go, James. I'm trying to give you a chat. Good morning, young Dorito in the house. Let's go. Oh gosh. I saw a story about how some woman, you know, like those glass ball things that people like put out like in their like landscaping. They look like glass balls, you know. No, James Bond, do not start your own channel. You're just gonna waste your time. No one's gonna watch it. No one's gonna watch it. No one's gonna watch your YouTube, James. Gotta keep James in check here, people. Don't let him get too excited. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this group, James? You just don't like this group, huh? I see how it is. It's not good enough for you. We're just not good enough for you, are we? If I swear to God, if James poaches my subscribers and takes them to his YouTube channel for his small, tight group, I'm gonna be real pissed. James is gonna poach all my subscribers. My live stream, my 100 live streamers are gonna be gone. They're all gonna be over at James. Is it over for Luna? I don't know, man. Who really knows? I wouldn't say it's over, but who really knows exactly what's gonna happen? Ryan, can I add you back to Lava Runners? I don't think you're blocked on there, man, but sure, I can add you back on there. I don't even know. I think Ryan, you got really upset and aggressive on there. That's maybe why you got blocked. The whole entire market's selling off. Cryptocurrency's selling off. Everything's getting crushed right now. Duquan, he's on fire right now. All right, so I'm gonna stay live for like another 10 minutes here. I got a meeting that I gotta do in about 10 minutes, but we'll see where this goes. I'll keep the live stream up for you guys for a little bit, but I gotta make a video here in a little bit as well, talking about this new indicator that I'm doing. Who thought the bottom was Wednesday? I don't think anyone with a brain on their shoulders, a brain in their head, a head on their brain, thought that Wednesday was the bottom. You do see though, I mean, it was pretty much trending higher since Friday, but now just getting crushed. You could have done one of these on the overall kind of move here. Dang, getting murdered there. James Bond sleeps in a heat regulated room every night, sleeping at a cool 60 degrees. I have made no trades today, Levi. No trades for me. Like I said earlier, I feel like I was just chasing this move. Missed out on an insane move this morning, and I don't feel like I wanted to just try to jump in here. Woke up late. James Bond sleeping like a baby. He's funny. I have a liquid cooled computer. It's pretty cool looking. So the market kind of bouncing around here, 395, 396 level. You got the VWAP all the way up there at almost the 400 level here. Market's down 3% on the day so far. Can she go lower? Let's see. James Bond really hating on Hawaii right now. Can she break through low of day here? Once again, that the 58s here on the MES. The 58s here. Looking for that breakdown. Will she break to the downside here? On the MES. There she go. Trying to touch it again, that low of day, 58s. Still going. Still going. Still selling. Still 56 now on the low. Rusty Golfer is still, did you get out on that? No. The high on that last candle there. What was the high there? Oh, did yours? No, it was perfect. 71.25 on the high there. Awesome. You said 72 was your stop, and that high was 71.25. Wow, nice work. The stock market following Luna coin right now. Market. Oh. Ouchies. Market just giving it all back right now. Giving it all back here. Maybe wants to fill this gap here down to the 392s. That next support area, I'd say, well, next resistance area was 392 level. Might not happen today, but looking like it's happening this week. Get down to that 386s. I would still expect some type of bounce back here. We need some bounces. You need the market to kind of go like that. We're not going to just get a straight move down there. Or maybe we do. Who really knows at this point? But as of right now, this is kind of looking like that. I would expect a bounce, ding, 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 and then get down to that level there. See what happens. How the market ends up this week. What is it, Wednesday? Wednesday. Hey, we got 68 likes. We got 99 people watching. We can do this, boys. Let's break through that 100 mark. Just like the market's crashing, let's pump up that like button. Let's pump up that like button, baby. Let's fucking go. Ugh. I saw some guy on StockTwits said that he bought 403 puts yesterday. Ended up getting out at the like the push at the end of day yesterday up to the 408s, and then he ended up losing 50% for a 50% loss. And then now this morning he's crying himself. He's crying. Oh, you gotta love it. I mean, honestly, you gotta love the market, right? Like yesterday, that big fake out to the upside. Everybody, closing out their puts, people buying call options, things like that. And then today, a huge gap down. The market's down 3.1% right now. You just gotta love it, This is why it's so difficult trading. Because, yesterday, it's like, oh, look, the market's gonna just go higher now. And then today, oh, look, the market's just gonna go lower now. I mean, it was like, what are you gonna do? I mean, there was people yesterday that were buying puts thinking that this was gonna crash down today. But I'm thinking the majority of people out there were probably more so buying call options yesterday, thinking the market was going to push above 410 today. So definitely always interesting to see how that plays out. Looking for, I'd see a pushback up here at some point. We'll see if it's going to happen. All right. We'll see what's gonna happen here. All right, so I've been live here on YouTube now for about an hour and 30 minutes. I've got a meeting that I got to do over here on this computer, and the market is still going lower. The market is still going lower. Guys, we got 72 likes. Come on. Don't make me be that guy. I don't want to be that guy on YouTube begging for likes. Please, just hit the like button. Oh, man. I got an alert. Where did that thing go? Shit. Oh, man. Well. Market 395, 396, pushing, no, selling, pushing, selling. The low of day so far, 955.25 on the MES. What's gonna happen? Looking like she wants to sell through here again. Let's see. Break through that low of day. Is the Dow Jones recovering today? I don't think so. Is oh. All right. So I gotta do this meeting over here on my other computer. I'll leave this chat up for now and come back here in a little bit for you guys. Gonna turn my audio off as well.